Shut down that Detroit, 7 days at home. But 2 days for me, boy, I get the urge to roam. In spite the cost of diesel, I'm barely getting by. Need the feel of the big wheel in the truck I drive. It's windshield time, time to ride the white line. Get me some peace of mind on the open road. Yeah, it's windshield time, gotta ride the white line, 'cause hearing them big wheels whine soothes my soul. Neighbors in the backyard, we're cooking on the grill. Now it doesn't sound too hard, it's a pretty good deal. And making love with my honey after everyone's gone, it's all great for the first 48, then I gotta move on. It's windshield time, time to ride the white line. Get me some peace of mind on the open road. Yeah, it's windshield time, gotta ride the white line, 'cause hearing them big wheels whine soothes my soul. Yeah.
I want to give you an update on the farm cleanup project we did last January. Remember all the trees we burned? And then it snowed on us, winter came back, and here we are about done with it. Now they're getting it ready to plant, and the last picture is a crop of grain they planted on it. Got some cool packages to open today. First one's from Alan and Darlette Ponchero. They're in Hilo, Hawaii. Got a lot of cool friends in Hawaii. And Alan fixes equipment for the local farmers and growers and stuff, trying to help them get by, because it's really, really super expensive there to bring anything in and get any work done. Ooh, cool, sea salt. Okay, Alan sent me a letter, and Alan probably doesn't know it, but I pretty much know about sea salt and stuff, and so I don't use table salt anymore. I do use sea salt, so I really appreciate this. One of the important things I've learned is that salt does not cause high blood pressure. It actually helps regulate it. It's the other junk we eat that causes it, and the table salt. So I appreciate that. And this is cool. I'm not sure what this is. See, is this coconut water? Oh yeah, coconut water. I also, on Dr. Berg's channel, the guy that I follow, that's how I lost all this weight. He talks about coconut water. It's good stuff. And some Maui mocha coffee. Thank you, Alan. Oh, cool. I'm gonna give these to Mama. Mama will love this. Wow. Thank you very much, Alan. You didn't have to do this, but I appreciate it, and I appreciate the fact that you're looking out for Jeff's health. Can't wait to taste this. I love salt, and now that I've been using sea salt, I cover everything in salt. And guess what? My blood pressure's way down. My doctor loves me. He says, Jeff, whatever you're doing, keep on doing it. So, because I went to my doctor, let's see, January, February of 2016, and he said, Jeff, every time you come in here, your 10 pounds heavier and your blood pressure's up. And he says, I'm going to have to put you on high blood pressure medication. I said, well, let me see what I can do. And so my good friend Fitzy in Canada introduced me to Dr. Berg, and I started doing intermittent fasting. Anyway, I'm down 50 pounds. I went back to him, it was 2017 I went to him. So I went back to him in January, February of 2018. And he was just absolutely flabbergasted at how much weight I had lost, and my blood pressure was down and everything was good. And he'd had me on some Synthroid because my thyroid was low. And when I went back, he said it was still low. And I says, well, let me see what I can do. And they insisted I take some meds. I took the meds. They gave me the runs for a week. I was sick. I threw them away. I went to Dr. Berg's channel, watched some videos, changed my diet. I take some more supplements. I eat a lot more vegetables. And I went back like a month later, and the gal says, are you taking your meds? I said, no, I threw them away. She says, oh, you'll be low. She took the blood. They called me back a couple hours later. She said, no, you're fine. And I knew I was, because before I was always cold, and then after changing my diet and taking some other supplements, I wasn't cold anymore. So she said, doctor says whatever you're doing, keep on doing it. And so I am. So thank you, Alan, for the stuff. Okay, got a couple boxes from a friend of mine in Queensland, Australia, Adrian. I did not know you were going to send this to me, Adrian. Thank you very much. Let's see what he's got in here. Oh, it's something rolled up. What is it? Oh, cool. It's a map of Australia. Okay, that's going on the shop wall over by the whiteboard then. Wow, that's awesome. Did I say awesome again? Are we still playing the drinking game? It's too early in the morning. Map of Australia. Thank you, Adrian. That's going on the wall. That is cool. And $2. You know what? This is cool, because I like reading the paper from other people's areas. Oh, cool. Australia, koozie, that's awesome. Thank you. Wow. Joey Roo, Australia Stubby Cooler. Right, mate. And got a letter here. I'll read that. Oh, cool. Another one. That's awesome, man. Thanks, Adrian. Ooh, coasters. My wife's gonna love you. Holy smokes. Oh, boomerang. That's awesome, man. Pretty sharp knife. Oh wow, that is very nice. It has throwing instructions on the back. Hold the boomerang flat side to palm with the end about the middle of the palm. Face directly into the wind. Turn 45 degrees to the right of the wind. Raise the boomerang to the right shoulder and tilt 20 degrees off vertical. Throw the boomerang at a 30 degrees above horizontal. Release with a spinning motion as the boomerang leaves the hand. Who invented this? Is this an Aboriginal invention? You know, I'm going to have to get some lessons on how to do that. Kangaroo paw back scratcher. Oh, that is cool. Wow. Kangaroo paw bottle opener, right? Wow, that is neat. That is a real kangaroo paw. Wow. That is neat. That is neat. Look at that. Is he flipping the bird, or is that the peace sign? That's cool. Wow, kookaburra mugs. Thank you very much, Adrian. Huh, Aussie phrases down under. Cool. Now you can start choking like an Australian. I know you put Y behind everything. Or i.e. Barbie, Brecky, Queensland, Australia, Australia in focus. Wow. Canberra. Now that is a beautiful picture. That is a beautiful looking place. Canberra. Wow. Very, very nice, Adrian. Thank you. Someday I've got to come to Australia on vacation. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Adrian, for all this cool stuff. Thank you, Alan, for your cool stuff. I have the best subscribers in the whole world. I'm just always humbled and amazed at the stuff you send me. I don't know what to say other than just thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so cool. I really appreciate this. Adrian is going to be coming to the United States next year in 2019 for an event here. Adrian runs heavy equipment over in Australia, and he also drives trains. He drives a metro train, and he also operates a lot of their older steam engines. And I'll put a link below to Adrian's channel so you can meet him. But he's coming here. The event that he's coming to here revolves around a steam engine that's coming out of Wyoming. I think it's coming out of Cheyenne. I think he'll be in Cheyenne, and I'm not sure if he's going to ride that into Ogden, Utah. He's going to be there, but anyway, I'm going to get to meet up with him. I'm really looking forward to that, Adrian. So Adrian and Alan, thank you very much for this stuff. Alan, thank you for what you do for the people in Hawaii, keeping them going and doing that at a reasonable cost. Thank you for looking out for my health. You don't know how much that means, so I really appreciate it. Good Friday morning to you, everybody. Want to introduce you to some of my great subscribers. Want to start out with Matt Saar from Mineral Point, Wisconsin. Thank you, Matt. Ben Barul from North Dakota. Thanks for subscribing, Ben. T-Power Stroke 250 from Alabama. Nick Levinson from Lake Placid, New York. Nick's studying to be a heavy equipment operator. He's going to a school. That's great. Good luck to you, Nick. Ryan King, he's also from Alabama. And Grandpa Jim from Minnesota. Kelby Mays, he's from Floyd, Virginia. Larry Caesar, he's from Allenford, Ontario, Canada. Got a lot of cool subscribers in Canada. Dave Hewitt from Nottingham in the UK, in England. And Colin Kennedy from New Zealand. Thank you guys for subscribing. Keep putting your names below and where you're from, and I'll put you on the list. Just want to mention too that Shane needs a little more help. He had to go in for surgery Wednesday, so if you got some spare change, go to the GoFundMe link below and help Shane out. Also too, go to Amazon. I'll put the link below if you'd like to get an Old Kenny coloring book.